What's up, guys? So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can promote Clickbank products on Google Ads. And a lot of people were having questions that when I promote on Google Ads my account gets suspended. So I'm going to show you the right way on how you could do it. And before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So currently, as you could see on my screen, guys, so I'm gonna take two examples. I'm gonna take the best offers on Clickbank. One is LP lean and one is prostadine. Okay, so again, this is for prostrate, this is for weight loss product. Okay, so again, this is, I'm gonna take two examples and I'm gonna explain you how I create a landing page, how do I promote on Google Ads. So first things first, guys, again, you check the landing page. So this is the landing page for Alpeline. So first thing what you need to do is just spy. Okay, so again, this is what I do. So again, literally I just say brown fat for weight loss. This is one example. This is one of the keywords which was converting for me. So as you could see on Google, people are still promoting on this keyword. And see, whatever sponsored is there, which means people are promoting it. So you know this keyword is converting, right? So check your competition. Okay, so just open the website and as you could see, so this is a advertorial style web page. Again, this sells really well. Even this is advertorial. So again, so I found out two pages. One is a simple and short page where it's click to action, do this when you wake up to lose weight, try it immediately. The second one is like an advertorial where it tells you like a long page form and very simple as well. So once I know all of these things, all I have to do is again just go on Google Ads and then you can create your ad. Okay, now a lot of people were asking me, where do you find the converting keyword? So the best thing I could tell you is message. Okay, just message them, just contact the seller. And so that's what I did as well. So I did contact the seller. I told him, please send me all the details. So he gave me a resource kit. Okay, so now he gave me everything, the keywords. If I go on Google and YouTube, it will show me the keywords as well. So now I got the keywords. Okay, so everything's over there. Now the next thing is again finding the landing page. So again, just take this thing, copy over here and paste it, and then you would see any sponsored ads. So you could copy the page. So one of the pages, I would show you step by step on how you could do it. So now this is what I did. So this is my page right now. So literally all I have to do is click over here, click on website traffic, click on search, just put the campaign name, whatever you want, start new. Okay, and then set a maximum click. I would say 0.50. Click on next. I would exclude this. Just select tier 1 country, so United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. For this example, I would say United States. Okay, next. All you have to do is just go on keywords, just copy all of these keywords and paste it over here, right? And then just create your ad, click on next, and again just spy on your competition. And I'm going to show you a live example as well. Just spy on your competition. Just write the keywords, put your URL over here. So this would be my URL. Once you do that, just click on next, and I think so that's it. And this is how you could just create an ad. Now I'm going to show you a live example. So again, this is something which I created recently. Again, I hope you could see my conversion rate is 22%, my average CPC is 0.38, and again cost is $39. So again, this is really good where you're getting a lot of conversions. And even if I check my keywords, I've optimized it further and I've added exact match, phrase match. So again, you could see my CTR is really good. There are times where I was getting 37% CTR as well. So this is how you could promote on Google Ads. It's very simple, and same thing you could replicate on Microsoft Bing Ads. And also one thing you need to understand, guys, again, if you take, you're not gonna find one winning product just right now. It takes a lot of testing. So as you could see, I did make this campaign, but then I found other campaigns which were much more profitable. If I could have made this, I could have spent $100, I would have made the sale, I would have optimized it much more better. But again, you need to test out 5 6 different products, and once you see, if you find one of the campaigns which is converting, stick to that. Pause all the other ones. So this is how you find a winning product. Okay, so all you have to do is just take, I would prefer going on the next page, right? Because first page is a lot of competition. Once you know, once you're experienced, then you can go on the first page. So again, core, this one, hearing tinnitus brain is really good. Soulmate sketch is really good as well. And then glucoberry, where you could promote for if I could just go on the affiliate page. I hope they have given some keywords as well. If they have not given any keywords, all you have to do is just seller contact and tell them, please give me the keywords. So they would give you everything, literally. Again, I'm talking about Google Ads, but if you are into Facebook, if you are into native, it gives you everything, all the demographics. If I open over here, it will tell you about the product. And one more thing something which you could learn is you can read about this thing. So again, I could just literally over here, this can be my winning keyword, urinary tract infection treatment. So I can just go over here. Okay. So see, I could find something where, just copy this thing, paste it over here. I'm sure I'm gonna see some ads. If I scroll down, okay, scroll down, and you might see some ads as well. Sick of cranberry, try this thing. So they are promoting some product as well. If I click over here, so again, something where they're promoting this product, you could try this keyword as well. If I go over here, read again something, urinary retention, kidney, I can just copy this thing again, paste it over here, treatment, just copy this thing and paste it, and I would see some ads as well, right? Let me just check. So again, you can just go much more deeper and find something which you can spy on it, and you might find some keywords which are much more helpful as well. But just read along, get some ideas. Even the keywords over here can early signs of prostate cancer or urinary tract healthy prostate repair. We can just do this thing, paste it over here again, and search. So as you could see, the first ad is there, the second ad is there. Oh yeah, so we see, sorry, I'm clicking the ad, but we saw the ad, enlarge prostate solution. Do this, and again, see, wow. So this is amazing landing page where you could see over here, and I'm sure it's going to open the same product as well, prostadine. So as you could see, guys, in front of you, I've showed you how you can spy, how you can create an ad and start scaling it and start making money. It's very simple, and I hope you really like this video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.